Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Vishwash. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry and Mystery of Molecules. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question presented in front of you. So the question is this, and what is asked, what is the major product of this reaction, and four options are provided in front of you. One of them is the major product. Okay. So and this is taken from Comprehensive Organic Synthesis Volume 2, Volume 8. So as usual, I first request you please pause the lecture and try by yourself, and definitely I shall provide the answer after some time with complete mechanistic description, and at the end I shall give you how to solve such question within less than 30 seconds. So please try by yourself, pause the video and try by yourself, because self-evaluation is essential for improvement. Please do it. Thank you. I think you have tried by yourself, so let me give you the answer and explanation. First of all, as usual, as I told, this is a common sentence. Please read the question carefully. So, what is the major product of this reaction? So, see the molecule first, and see the reagent. Reagent is Raney nickel, and this is solvent THA ethanol water, room temperature 24. It's a milder reaction condition. What is the major product? By the way, the most important thing in such case problem, see this molecule has multiple functional groups. Okay, that's why I believe it is important to understand about the reagent such that you can understand which part of the molecule is expected to react. Okay. See, Raney nickel is a reducing reagent, actually reducing agent, point number 1, and this is nothing but hydrogen adsorbed over nickel, and this is actually highly porous. This is highly porous and heterogeneous catalyst. Okay, so these are the important features of Raney nickel, I believe. You can consider 1 reducing agent, 2 hydrogen adsorbed over, 3 highly porous, and 4 heterogeneous catalyst. By the way, I have already discussed about Raney nickel preparation and its property in a dedicated lecture. Please visit. I am not going to discuss that part here. So, since this nickel is adsorbed hydrogen, so what we can expect that this hydrogen will act as a reducing agent, and which bond is expected to reduce? Actually, in this case, this carbon selenium. Actually, this PHAC means that first this is selenium is attached, then pH attached. By the way, generally in question such kind of way it is written, but you need to understand. Now, if you look at all the bonds, there are mainly three types of carbon heteroatom bond. One is carbon hydrogen, this one type. Another type is carbon oxygen. There are two categories. One is acetal one is ketal, and another is simple alcohol, and third one is carbon selenium. And actually this carbon selenium is the weakest bond. Okay, why? Because the improper overlap. Why I am saying the word improper? Because see, carbon is a second row element, and this sulfur, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, second, third, fourth. So second versus fourth row overlap. So orbital mismatch is expected. So orbital mismatch. So that's why this bond is the weakest. You can consider in this way. Now fine, we have understood about this. So what is expected? That this carbon selenium will be reduced, and what it will do? Actually, the easiest way to keep it in mind, this will break, hydrogen will add this part, and this selenium will be added to nickel. You can consider that hydrogen can attach selenium. Fine, that's true, logically accepted. But this nickel, this is actually a softer metal. So and selenium is also softer, so it reacts, and some nickel selenium complex type it produces. Okay, so this is the fit. So what is the product? Just this double bond is reduced, and the product is this one, by the way. So this is the answer of this question. Now, this is easy, but where confusion can arise? See, confusion can arise in the case of this part. Why I am saying? Let me draw. By the way, students, I believe you should learn how to draw 8-member rings because it's a difficult thing. So, the strategy is draw parallel these, connect them. In this way, try. Find one is 5-member attached. This hydrogen attached. This. So here hydrogen is attached. Fine. And in this case alcohol. So by the way, instead of this O thing, if there are sulfur, actually this is a acetal. Instead of this acetal, if I would have been taken, sorry, instead of this is ketal, instead of thioketal, then what is expected? This question could be little modified. Instead of this, they can give sulfur, and that's what. If it is, then this will reduced, and what it will result? It will result in 2 hydrogen. Like such kind of reaction is named as Mozingo reaction. I have already discussed dedicated lecture on this. Please visit if you want to learn more. Some analogous reaction, Clemenson reaction and Wolff-Piston reaction. Please visit. I have already discussed them also. So please careful. Since in this case it is given as a oxygen, so it will not break. In this case this. And another functional group, that is hydroxyl. For hydroxyl thing, it remains high temperature and very high Lewis acid catalyst. It is nickel 0. See. And another thing is a room temperature reaction, dehydration not possible. Second thing, this double bond thing. Actually, this is oxidation or hydrogen removal, because see there are 2 hydrogen, just you are taking, means the hydrogen removal thing, like whatever such kind of thing does, palladium, charcoal, this type of thing. But see, Raney nickel already contains lots of hydrogen. It is reducing in nature. It will prefer to add hydrogen. It will not withdraw or abstract hydrogen. So this not possible. Question this versus this. In this case, this oxygen is gone. It is not possible by Raney nickel. Only possible if it is sulfur. Ox means these ketal are stable in presence of Raney nickel. So this is also not. So this is the answer. This is a very easy problem. Okay. So if such kind of problem is given in your exam, less than 30 seconds, how can you solve this problem? First of all, you need to understand Raney nickel, where it can react. It can it can break the sulfur selenium containing bond and form carbon hydrogen bond. Another thing is hydroxyl. This is ketal and this is hydrogen. They will not react. So they will remain intact. Only this will go. Where this is gone? See, all the options selenium is removed. That's the cleverness of the question. Now second point. Nothing will happen with this. So everything this will remain. So this is gone. Now this and this. What is the difference? Double bond is formed. Not possible. So this and this gone. So based on your one information, this bond will break, and later understanding and permutation combination you can find out the answer. Then less than 30 seconds I believe. Okay. For that purpose, whatever you need, first of all, you need to read the chemistry properly. Second, you need to remember. Third, you need to keep your mind cool and be confident. And fourth, with patience, you need to attempt the question. First of all, read the question properly, see what is asked and try to answer accordingly. So this is the end of this discussion. I believe this discussion may be helpful for you. Please write your opinion in the comment box. And most importantly, if you really like my teaching, then please like the video, write your opinion in the comment box and share this with your friends. And most importantly, subscribe the channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecule. And the most important thing for me, if you really able to support me, please support through Patreon. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.